Hello friends, we have seen drawbacks, disadvantages of limit switches. Now we'll see the advantages of limit switches. Limit switches offer simplicity, robustness and repeatability to processes as limit switches are mechanical position sensing devices. Second advantage of limit switches, mechanical limit switches are simplest in which the contact is made and switch is engaged, either it will be made on or off. So mechanical limit switches are simpler, and if contact is made, the switch is starting its process, it is getting engaged. Limit switches are very easy to maintain because operator can get the information, can know the operation of the switch and can align it easily to fit to the application. So when the limit switch is on or limit switch is going off, the operator can hear this, can sense this, that whether switch is going to on or off, and that's why it is easy to maintain. We can easily identify, detect any failure of limit switch. So this is the advantage. Next is limit switches are very robust. They can handle inrush current 10 times that of their steady state rating. So they can handle the inrush 10 times more. They are very robust. Also, reliability is another benefit. There are various surveys which published the claims regarding the limit switches for accuracy. And for standard limit switches, the accuracy range within 0.03 mm to 0.00 mm over temperature range of -4 to +200 Fahrenheit. So reliability of limit switch is very high, and that is very beneficial. Also, limit switches do not get affected by electromagnetic interferences. So, in the environment, if there are electromagnetic interferences, they will not affect limit switch operations. As we have seen, over a temperature range of -4 to +200 Fahrenheit, the accuracy is very high, that is 0.03 mm to 0.001 mm. And also, another advantage of limit switch is that it is not getting affected by any electromagnetic interferences.